Hi and welcome to Cheeky Richard Cooking's Breakfast on the Go, cooked in the Kmart Family Pie Maker. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. It's very simple to make and you needn't have to go to takeaway places if you're traveling or if you're a solo diner. First thing we're going to do is pop our sausages straight into our pie maker and turn it on, close the lid. Okay, it's time to check on our sausages there. They've been going for about 8 minutes and the skins have popped on them, but that doesn't matter. Turn them over, you get a nice bit of colour there, and I'm going to spin them around that side because I'm going to pop in a piece of ham or bacon, just get a bit of colour on that. I've got a half a tomato here that's going in too. Close the lid and then we'll do our eggs. Okay, we're just going to grab our sausages out now because they're well and truly cooked. Got a nice bit of colour on them. Tip our ham over and our tomato over and then crack our eggs in. If you break the eggs, bang them together, only one of them will break, and then we just close the lid and cook them to however well done you like them. Okay, inside of 15 minutes you have got a hearty breakfast for one using the Kmart Family Pie Maker. You've got your protein there, eggs cooked to perfection. Turn them over if you want to, and there you have it. Two gorgeous sunny side up eggs. We just wipe out the pie maker now with a piece of paper towel and a damp cloth, unplug it, and it's ready for your next meal. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheeky Richard Cooking's solo breakfast cooked in the Kmart Family Pie Maker. If you would like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheeky Richard Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you and we're uploading lots of videos, and thank you very much for watching. Parsley for garnish there.